Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatimah Aisyah Fauzan. Today I will present my PowerPoint entitled Topic Sentence. Before we get into topic sentence, it's a good idea to know first what is it. A well-organized paragraph supports or develops a single controlling idea, which is expressed in a sentence called the topic sentence. A topic sentence has several important functions. It substantiates or supports an essay thesis statement. It unifies the content of a paragraph and directs the order of the sentences. And it advises the reader of the subject to be discussed and how the paragraph will discuss it. A topic sentence essentially tells reader what the rest of the paragraph is about. All sentences after it have to give more information about the sentence, prove it by offering facts about it, or describe it in more details. For example, if the topic sentence concerns the types of endangered species that live in the ocean, then every sentence after that needs to expound on the subject. These are the essential part in paragraphs. The first is topic, and the second is main ideas, and the third supporting details. Just as a sentence has essential parts, a subject and a verb, a paragraph has essential parts. The first is a topic. Every paragraph is about something. The topic or subject is what the paragraph tells about. Every paragraph also needs a main idea. This is the general and most important idea that the paragraph discusses about the topic. Most authors of non-fiction materials, like textbooks, state their main ideas. But they don't always. Main ideas may sometimes be implied or unstated. Supporting details are sentences that prove, support, or give more information about the main idea. Then, there are 3 tips for finding the topic. The first is look for the subject of the first sentence. If you guys not find it, look for a word or phrase that is frequently repeated or referred to. But if you still not found that, ask what do all the sentences in the paragraph deal with. Normally, when writing, we begin by mentioning the things we are going to tell about. Therefore, the topic is often, but not always, the subject of the first sentence of the paragraph. Remember that subject of sentence are nouns. Topics of paragraphs are also nouns. It's an easy thing to find, so look the first for the topic. Also, when writing a paragraph, we tend to repeat the subject at least a few times. We may not use the exact word each time. Instead, we use other nouns or pronouns to refer to our subject. For instance, in writing about Miami-Dade College, we would perhaps refer to it as MDC, the college, the school, or even it. In other words, all sentences must deal with the topic. The first 2 strategies are easier to use, but the third one will always verify for us that we have identified correctly the topic. You may find that identifying a topic is not always so easy, right? So here we go. Difficulties in identifying topics. Sometimes the topic is not the subject of the first sentence. Then sometimes the topic is not repeated. So, if the first two strategies don't help, here are steps to take. Look at the nouns within the paragraph. Ask what general terms includes all or most of them. So, the general noun is probably the topic. Then, examples of the topic sentence. You guys can read it by yourself, and I will waiting for you. Okay, have done. If you guys have done read all sentence below, the bold sentence is one possible topic sentence for the example paragraph. But note, it is just one possible topic sentence. You may have thought of others that are also appropriate. Okay? That's all my explanation about topic sentence. If there are mistakes, I'm so sorry. But if you guys have a question to me, just say it. Thank you for paying your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.